Hi, this is my website, MyGameList, and it's pretty simple. You choose the name of the game that you played, the date that you started in, the date that you finished, your rating out of 10, and whatever you want to say about the game. Over here, so just like a list of games with the game name and its summary. And over here, you can put in the name of the game, submit, and it'll send out the data of the game that you rated. And the coding environment that I use is Visual Studio Code, and you can find a version of my code on my GitHub repository right here. So for my front end, I just use HTML, CSS, and JS. I didn't use any framework or anything. For my back end, I use Google Firebase right here for the database and storing the data from the HTML form. So some of the challenges I faced was definitely with the API. I was struggling trying to get data from the APIs, just like the game name and stuff, because the API the documentation is really confusing and it was kind of vague. And I realized I could just use fetch and then have all these headers and fields. And then having my website make requests to API was also something that gave me trouble, because I kept getting the same error. It was like cores and like trying to access data from this origin was blocked. And the solution to this is to use a proxy, but that still didn't work. I still kept getting the same error, and I don't really know why. I probably like messed something up making the proxy or something, but I don't know. So, and I also had trouble with the database because at first I was trying to use MongoDB, but I could not figure that out. It wasn't working, so I just moved on to Google Firebase, which was much more user-friendly and easier to set up since it was just importing and downloading the packages. If I had more time with this website, I would definitely try to finish it and try to have the API to work, as well as actually having an account system, because this doesn't really do anything right now. And yeah, I would definitely try to finish this, because this is something that I think I would actually use to keep track of the games that I play. So yeah, thank you.